Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to make this cute Kirby set. It's all handmade and hand drawing. I hope you enjoy this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like 3D design like this, please check other 3D tutorial videos. And products infos in the description. These are the colors I used this time. I'm starting from base colors. I'll just gonna fast forward. Ready for drawing. Here 30 seconds. I'll start from swirl design. With this design, long liner brush is easy to use. Here 30 seconds. I'll remove it from the stand. I'll be drawing stars. Here 30 seconds. Here 30 seconds. Now, I'll be working on Kirby face. I find it simpler face is much more difficult than complex face. Like Hello Kitty, for example. When the face is consist of just eyes and nose like that, it's really difficult to achieve perfect look. Eyes are almost done. Another star design. .3D gel white. I'll make the body first. And feet and hands. and coloring. Now it's time to draw face. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed video, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe my channel for future updates.